When you want to create an entry that's very similar to an existing entry, maybe you only want to make changes to one or two fields. To save yourself time, you can create a copy of an existing entry from the listing screen or the entry editor. It's worth bearing in mind that as you're effectively creating a new entry, to do this you'll need to be a member of a role with permission to create the type of entry you want to copy. To copy an entry from the editor, press the Entries button in the sidebar to open the entry's listing screen. Now locate the entry you want to edit. You can scroll through the entry's listing. You can search, or in a project with a large number of content types, it's sometimes easier to filter by content type first. When you find the entry you want to copy, press its title to open it for editing. The entry editor will then open, ready for you to make any changes. To copy the entry, press the Actions button, indicated here by the triple dot icon. Choose the Copy option from the drop-down menu, and a confirmation window will open, asking you to confirm that you want to copy the entry. Press the Copy button to continue. As you can see, the new copy of the entry then opens for editing, with the word Copy appended to the title field, and with all of the fields populated with content from the original entry. To copy an entry from the entry's listing, press the Entries button in the sidebar to open the entry's listing screen. Then locate the entry you want to copy. Once you've located the entry you want to copy, press the Actions button, indicated here by the triple dot icon. A drop-down window will be displayed. Press the Copy option in the drop-down menu. As you can see, the new copy of the entry then opens for editing in exactly the same way as when you copy an entry from the entry editor. The word Copy is appended to the title field, and all of the fields are populated with content from the original entry. And that's it. That's how to copy an entry in Contensis.